Are your plants looking a little sad or just not thriving? What if the answer to lush, healthy foliage was hiding in your fruit bowl and kitchen shelf? Discover the secret power of banana peels combined with baking soda. A simple, free, and effective trick that can bring your plants back to life. Banana peels are rich in potassium, calcium, and magnesium, the exact nutrients plants need for stronger stems, greener leaves, and vibrant growth. Farmers quietly use them as a natural plant booster. Take a fresh banana peel and gently rub the soft inner side on your plant's leaves. This feeds nutrients directly through the leaf surface and polishes the leaves for better sunlight absorption. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda and liter of water in jug. Dip a soft cloth in this solution and lightly wipe your plant's leaves after the banana peel rub. A baking soda acts as a natural protector, reducing harmful fungi and keeping leaves fresh and healthy. Repeat this once a week, and soon you'll notice greener, shinier leaves, fewer fungal issues, and faster plant growth.